Today's featured car of the day is a 1965 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport. And this one had a Corvette engine in it, 327 with 365 horsepower. And let me read the seller's comments at the auction. And the seller stated, car has been repainted and some restoration as needed. Has a 327, 365 horsepower Corvette engine, tilt wheel, power windows and power brakes, air conditioning, S Super Sport package, family owned its whole life, power pack car, very rare. And it doesn't mention the mileage, and I couldn't find where I wrote them down somewhere, but it bid to $28,000, but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was a nice car. Definitely had a good look to it. And the engine that's in it is the L76 Corvette engine from 1965. And that had 365 horsepower, which was the highest one you could get in a Chevy with the 327, except for the fuel-injected one, the L84. That one I think had 10 more horsepower, 375 it advertised. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day. A 1965 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport with a Corvette 327 with 365 horsepower, tilt wheel, power windows, power brakes, air. Pretty much a one-owner car, one family-owned. And it bid to $28,000, but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.